Rent-to-own condo na pwede for Airbnb business with only 10% down payment? Watch this video until the end. So hi investor, welcome to 35 square meter, 1 bedroom ni Park Makiling West. Upon entering nga pala, this will be your kitchen na. Granite countertop, 2 induction cooktop, range hood, cabinets is also included. Box type na yung sink natin, retractable yung faucet. Meron din nga pala tayo ditong intercom, pwede nating makita yung visitor natin sa lobby. This side naman will be your bathroom. Sa bathroom natin, meron tayong glass partition, water closet, meron tayong lavatory, and then rain shower na rin siya. On this side naman will be your space for living and dining. Pwede dito yung sofa, and then on the other side will be your tables and chairs. Included na nga rin pala yung inverter aircon natin dito. Ayan. And this will be your bed space naman. Spacious siya, so kasya dito yung queen size bed. Included na nga rin pala yung modular closet natin, inverter aircon, meron din tayo dito sa bedroom nyo. And then of course, meron tayong balcony. So pwede ka pa maglagay dito ng tables and chairs kung gusto mong tumambay sa labas. So this 1 bedroom unit offers 10% down payment, then yung total contract price niya is 13 million. So if you wanna know more, inquire now. This is Jared Magnayi and welcome to Buhay Ahente. Salam!